This vlog is the unseen footage of one of the most enjoyable trails I've did while being in Portugal. It was in 2022 and I did an interesting trail in which, if you are a fan of my content for a long time, you know which vlog I'm talking, that I have a surprising friend coming with me through that journey. I was not in the proper conditions, so I felt a little bit dizzy, I had to stop. But this was like the ending of that journey. And that's why I also named that the deadly experience or something like that. Not just for the route. The route was crazy and yeah, I could have died there for sure. I just went off the rails, I just went off the path trying to figure it out stuff, and then I got lost for a while, for like an hour. And then I just thought like I'm gonna try to find the path back from where I came from. So it was an interesting path for sure. It was an interesting trail. There is a lot of unseen footage, and that's what I will try to edit into something now. The normal footage is in the vlog. What I could take advantage from the start, like what I felt that was a good story, is there. But there was a lot that, looking back, I was like, I might try to take advantage of this and that, and then try to make something out of it, try to showcase that with a little bit of a background story about the trip. So yeah, fun times. Sometimes you need those type of adventures to know your limit. That one for sure was a limit, because like my body felt it. I have no clue where I am, to be honest. That is an interesting path, so. I think I had something here. Some type of insect, whatever. Anyway. Yep. Not sure where I am, but this for sure will go somewhere. If not, I have a whole path to go. This is quite, you guys are not seeing, but this is quite intriguing. But this time I'm just gonna follow the normal pedestrian way. You have this road here, so yeah, just gonna follow this. It's way easier. Plus, I have no clue, really, I have no clue whatsoever where I am. So just easy. This road, I just follow this road, wherever this road leads me. Nice. Yeah. Now I'm really in front of the church. Yeah, you saw that in my... We did all this route over here, and then I decided to follow the path down. So now I need to follow the path up. So yeah. But yeah, we got in a full circle. We got in a full circle. By the way, look at this. Just come on, someone is calling me. Oh fuck God.